Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy S4 to an Android device. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both devices. Then tap on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Following that, open it. I already had to download it earlier over here because it was taking 5 minutes to download, so I can open it right away. And then choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then you need to click on Send on Samsung and Receive on an Android. After that, click on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will go into Photos category, select one of them and tap on Send. Then click Got it. From here we have two connection ways. You can input this key over here, and tap on Receive or Scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on this scanning icon on an Android, choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. Now we have to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to check it out for sure, you can always go into some kind of Files app, like that one. Click on Continue, choose Browse in the middle and tap on, in my case, Images. As you can see, Send Anywhere section is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!